Want to grow your own fresh vegetables at home? Like, share, and subscribe to Grow Your Own Vegetables for simple gardening tips.
So if I buy seeds, should they be local seeds? This is from Trisha in Fresno. And I know she was here earlier. I hope, Trisha, you're still here now. Okay, so should they be local? On the West Coast. Johnny's is an East Coast supplier. Also, I have privet tree dropping berries into one of my beds. Will they be compatible with veggies? Okay, so buying seeds local has some benefits. You're supporting local businesses. Possibly the local source might have different varieties that work well for where you are. So those are some of the benefits that are possible. But oftentimes, a lot of the seed manufacturers have a lot of the same stuff no matter where they are. So sometimes they'll be selling something that doesn't even necessarily grow well where they are because they know that people are buying seeds from everywhere. So you can buy them from the West Coast. You can buy them from the East Coast. That's up to you. Johnny's, you have the coupon available. But on the West Coast, you could also find plenty of great seed supplies. And if you find somebody who has saved seeds from their garden in your local area, like if you have a local seed swap, that's a great place to get seeds because people have grown something and they've collected the seeds, and then basically those seeds are adapted to the climate. Only the strong have survived. So those are some very strong seeds. Okay, so the question is, dropping berries into one of my beds, will they be compatible with veggies? So for the most part, things like that won't hurt your vegetable beds. Black walnut trees are something to be aware of because they have juglone, which is a chemical that can inhibit vegetables. But I don't think those berries are going to hurt your vegetable bed. But I also don't think you necessarily want to grow a lot of that privet in with your vegetables. I'm looking at, because it can grow to be a tree, and that can take over your planting bed, and you don't want that to happen. So if you want to keep growing your vegetables, you don't want them to form new plants, is what I'm saying. But it's probably not going to hurt your vegetables if they fall in place and maybe fall on the ground.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And for more simple and practical gardening tips, subscribe to Grow Your Own Vegetables. For more tips and updates, visit gyov.org and join our growing community.